Hey guys, welcome back to Free Car Repair. Our mission here at the garage, guys, is to save you as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Let's go ahead and start on it now.
So here guys, we'll demonstrate on a 2016 F-150 that we have right here. That will be the truck we'll be demonstrating on. If you open, guys, the hood, you'll see that you have one fuse box there, and in that fuse box you can see you have different fuses, relays that could be Ford specific. They can be really hard to find, not possible to find in the middle of nowhere or small towns, or they can be really overpriced. We'll put a link in the description of the video below where you can get some from at a good price, quick shipping as well. We'll need to work on the fuse box that's located inside your F-150, guys. Okay, and let me go back. Okay, let me see where I got it. Yep, right here. And in the passenger side, in the footwell, right here in the kick panel, you remove that plastic. There is one plastic here. You open it and you'll see a fuse box that looks just like this one, guys. This is the fuse box right there. And now, before we explain which fuses you need to check, let's explain why it's important to test fuses and relays. That way you don't waste time and money.
So let me explain why it's super important, guys, to test fuses. Fuses, not often you can see if they're burnt or they're good. Sometimes they may seem perfectly fine, you think it's a good fuse, you put it back in, and you end up spending money and time on parts and problems that do not exist, guys, when all you had to do, test your fuse, find out it's bad, replace it, fix your problem. So we will have a video how to test a fuse, okay, different kinds of fuses, and how to test relays, guys. We're going to put the link in the description of the video below, specifically to that video. Please check it out.
So the alarm fuse can be a little bit tricky to find. You can see you have a row of fuses, then you have those specific double fuses, and if you look by them you just have number 7, 9, 11, but where did, let's say, 6, 8, 10 go? Okay, on the other side you have 29, 30. So the fuse that we need to find specifically for the alarm is known as fuse number 8. And if you look here, guys, you have number 5, then you have number 6, 7. This is a double fuse, and then you have 8, 9. So that fuse right here that we have, guys, okay, but it will be known as fuse 9, but it's actually fuse 8, the left side of the fuse. That's the one for the alarm system.
Hey guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Leave a comment below. We'll try to make a video for your specific problem. Like, subscribe, comment, let us know what you think. And guys, by the way, we have more than 19,000 free repair videos on our YouTube channels, videos that can save you thousands of dollars in repairs. Thank you for watching and see you next time.